This is a 25 years male patient complaining of pain in suprapubic region since 2-3 months and burning micturition. Pre-void pre-void volume of this bladder was around 150 cc or 200. I am not remembering exactly. And what is the special feature is that there is one more protocol that we have to do in every patient of cystitis. This is also something what we say we are missing many times. We might be missing many times because not following this protocol. Whenever you scan the bladder, look at the superficial part of this wall for the tubular structure. It could be patent Urchal or Eurekas. I don't know exactly how it is spelled, but you see here this tubular structure in the midline. In the transverse section, we will see it by linear probe. This round oval hypoechoic structure having central echogenic, this area, it is the mucosa of the Urchal, and if we move it superior in sagittal view, this is the bladder. This is the bladder wall. If we go upward, we will see this Urchal. It is a little bit edematous. It could be patent Urchal. It is measuring 5 centimeter in AP view, 5 mm in AP view and 11 mm in transverse view. 11 mm in transverse view. It is having central mucosal lining, hyperechoic in texture, and you see that this is the urinary bladder, this is the fundus, and it is in connection with the Urchal. It could be patent Urchal, Urcus, what we say. Okay, don't focus on the pronunciation. This is the bladder cavity, and it is showing here. You see this connection with that structure. You have to see the embryology, what I am trying to convey through this video. It is some congenital defect. This is the Urchal. In transverse view, it is best visualized midline, and you have to see the extent, at what length it is extending.